Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to animate text along path in After Effects like this. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add a new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to text and type your text like this. Select text from here and go to pen tool, then draw your mask or with your points like this. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to text from here, open it, go to text, path option, set none to, mask 1 and see. And that's all. Okay, this is very good. Okay, if you want to reverse path, you can set it on and see. Also perpendicular to path, set it off, and force alignment. Okay. Okay, now I want to animate this. Go to first frame and I'll go to first margin and I'll decrease it like this to put this text out of our scene. Then keyframe. Then I'll go to last frame and I'll increase it like this. Okay. And see. Okay. Also, I can add another mask like ellipse. Okay, I'll go here and I'll press Ctrl, double click to add this circle. Let me, okay, something like this. Then I'll go to mask 1 and I'll change it to mask 2 and see. Okay, if you want. And that's all. Let me add it to mask 2 and remove, sorry, mask 1 and remove it. And that's all. This is our tutorial. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.